YouTube THACH, and I'm sitting down to the local restaurant, and today I'm going to eat local pancake, and over here they call it Banh Xeo. Well, when you arrive, you smell aromatic of the smoky of the cooking. "15 minutes to catch a ferry." Finally, we are here, and we have to make order right now. And the sauce is sweet fish sauce. And here there's some peanut. That is baby duck egg fries, deep fries. It seems like spicy, and we're gonna add some chili to impress the flavor. We're gonna squeeze some lamb, and we shake it. Okay, I'm gonna grab baby duck egg fry first. It is look too crispy and fatty, so let's check it out right now. Oh. Oh, it's spicy, so I'm gonna go with this one with the sauce here, and I'm gonna take some pickled garlic on top. Oh yes, it is crispy, a little bit spicy, and a little bit sour from the garlic pickle in there, and it is good. So another one I'm gonna eat with like this. Wow. It is really good, and it is so very clean when you eat with the fresh meatball in there. It is good. Oh wow. It is a little bit hot. It is baby duck. Wow. It is good. Oh yeah, that is the reason I come here. Local people call Banh Xeo, but it is seem like a pancake, and I think they made it from fermented rice, and the color as yellow because maybe they add some turmeric powder. And inside, oh wow. Okay, you see, it is baby prawns with it's like a bean sprout here, and they add some pork in there. So I'm gonna go the local pancake first. Oh, you see, the sound is crispy. and I'm gonna add some bean sprout. Oh wow, it is hot. And I'm gonna add some pork with baby prawns. Okay, sauce is here. Oh wow. It is crispy and a little bit sweet from the fish sauce here, and it is so well to eat with a fresh vegetable. They will have like a lettuce, cucumber with local herb in here. It is very good. Okay, so I'm gonna pick some lettuce and local pancake, Banh Xeo as well, yeah. Some bean sprout and a slice of cucumber with a local herb here. Oh. I think I never go wrong for pancake here. It is looked beautiful and the flavor is unexpected. It is flavorful. With the vegetable here, oh wow, that is awesome, amazing. Oh wow, amazing, flavorful. That I'm looking for is chili. Wow. It is onion and carrot also here. 2 slices of cucumber with like add some local herb, and I'm gonna go again with chili in there. Oh wow. See, it is look amazing. The last one. we done. Flavorful and oh wow, amazing, amazing. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and click subscribe if you're new here. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.